Sorry ass DJ.
Hi, my name is Alfredo Mankin. In this video, I will explain about hotel bed making steps. First, make sure you all have all your clean pillowcase, sheets, covers. One easy way to make sure that you always have a clean linen in stock is to rent your linens through a quality hotel rental program. Next, make sure there is no dirt or dust on the mattress. Simply dust off and vacuum away any debris. Next, place your mattress bed on top of your mattress. Once you have cleaned off your mattress, simply place this on the top so it fits with your mattress. Next, put on the fitted bottom sheet. This sheet will be used to hold your mattress bed in place. Next, lay down your flat sheet. Lay this sheet down, making sure there are no wrinkles. Next, place the cover on the bed. Smooth out any wrinkles so that it appears nice, flat and elegant on your bedspread. Then pull back off your half of the cover flat sheet for a nice display. Next, fondant all of the corners. This will create the snug burrito-like effect that guests get when they crawl in the bed hotel. Next, place pillows in their corresponding pillowcase, fluff and then flatten to stand tall. If you have any essential pillows, give them a good karate chop to add some differentiation between your pillow setup, and voila, you have a beautiful made hotel bed. Thank you.